He's trying to jet somewhere. Hey, he's freezing cold, bro. He's in the water right now. I ain't scared of him at all. He ain't gonna make nuts. And if he does, he'll get kicked. I'll kick his ass. I'll kick that fool. He's doubling back this way, though. This thing is badass. Oh, now he's coming. Come towards me. Oh shit, he's getting close to me. He's coming towards me. Yeah, he's coming right towards us. But still, I'll beat his ass. Bro, he's in a crazy cobra stance. Look at him. Come closer, my friend. Look at his ass.
Is he coming here? Where is he?
Look, right there. That's his head. He's cold, though. He's probably freezing.
Oh, he's coming here.
Oh, you want to get a picture?
Yeah.